Over the years, what we have found is students now have a very different expectation of their learning environment. They come to us looking for skills, they come to us looking for something different. Sony Vision Exchange allows us to provide that something different. It allows them to be engaged with their learning, it allows them to get the hands-on experience of the new technology and see how it works. Everybody has a mobile device these days. We're no longer in the situation where we're asking them to put their phones away. We're now asking them to get their phones out, actually get involved, be part of the learning experience with us. So we're really excited to get this spread across all the university, across all our different campuses, and very keen to make sure that all our students have the ability to access this, no matter who they are or where they are.
Vision Exchange has pretty much revolutionised the way I learn in the classroom. It's enabled us to kind of share ideas in a lot more convenient way.
I feel like I can be quite a quiet person, so to be able to just upload something onto the board, I can actually contribute to the lesson.
What we found is that these lecturers and students will use Vision Exchange in a different way, and we're learning with Trinity St David how these usages will develop the solution moving forwards.
Ever since we began talking to Sony about this solution and about this project, it's been a real two-way process in terms of sharing possible developments. One of the things that our staff asked for was the ability for students to follow the main display, whatever was being shared. They asked if students could follow that on their own devices. Lo and behold, that is now part of the solution, and that's been really well received by both the staff and the students alike.
As a student with additional learning needs, I found it's made my learning a lot more streamlined and efficient. So especially using the screen mirroring feature, it means I'm not straining to try and see the board. It's different from what I was expecting of university. It's better than almost a traditional lecture of just being spoken to in a room full of people. So I think going forwards, it's definitely something I'd look to use quite often just because of how effective it is.
It's made the students more involved in learning, and as students are able to share the resources, it's generated more discussion and it's engaged students more in the sessions.
Should we embrace technology in the classroom? Well, I believe so. We talk a lot about how we're moving from a lecture-based presentational style of teaching, which has been the traditional way universities have delivered in the past, to a more collaborative, active student learning delivery system. And part of that is because of the technology that we now have, that we can do things now in the classroom that we could never do before.